These vegan messy cookies are so tasty and they're even good for you. We'll start with taking a piece of parchment paper and cutting it so it fits perfectly into our air fryer, and then turn the air fryer on at 325 degrees for about 10 minutes. Next, you'll take half a cup of almond flour. Almonds have magnesium, and that is something so many of us don't get enough of. Then add a tablespoon of ground flax, which has omega-3s. That's great for your heart, and fiber for your digestion. Mix those two ingredients together into your bowl. Then add a tablespoon of maple syrup. This natural sweetener has antioxidants. Then you'll add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, because every cookie recipe is tastier with vanilla extract. Then add a tablespoon of tahini, which is just toasted ground sesame seeds, and it's great for your heart and your bones, and it's anti-inflammatory. Mix that all together and taste it. This is optional, but like me, you may choose to add a pinch of cinnamon. And if you eat a lot of cinnamon like I do, make sure it's Ceylon. It's actually better for you. Mix that together, and if your dough is crummy, you can add a tablespoon of water like I do so that you form a nice dough ball. Then you're going to take some sesame seeds, put them in a bowl, put them aside, and then you're going to take your dough ball, divide it up into little dough balls. Mine made about 5. Roll those dough balls into the sesame seed bowl and flatten them on the parchment paper, and then your cookies will be ready to go into the air fryer. Now, if you want crunchy cookies, it would take probably about 8 minutes, and if you want chewier cookies, it'll probably take about 6 minutes. When the edges turn a beautiful golden brown, they are ready. And now tell me, would you make these vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, refined sugar-free, healthy, whole food, plant-based cookies? Let me know in the comments below.